Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Sinksuds is probably one of the most innovative cleaning solutions I've come across in a while. It's designed to tackle tough grease and grime, leaving your dishes sparkling clean. But is it all hype? In this video, we're diving deep into Sinksuds, testing its limits, and seeing if it lives up to the claims. Get ready for a suds-filled adventure as we explore its features, ease of use, and overall value. Number 5. Earth Breeze Fragrance-Free Laundry Detergent Sheets. Tired of bulky detergent jugs? These convenient sheets are the perfect solution. They are easy to use and great for both home and travel. These sheets tackle tough stains and odors effectively. They are designed to leave no harsh chemical residue, ensuring your clothes are clean and fresh. Enjoy a gentle, fragrance-free clean with these sheets. They are dermatologist-tested, hypoallergenic, and perfect for sensitive skin. Say goodbye to plastic jugs and hello to these eco-friendly sheets. They are lightweight, microplastic-free, and easy to use in any washing machine. With every order, Earth Breeze donates detergent to those in need. You can feel good knowing that your purchase helps others while keeping your clothes clean. What we like? These eco-friendly sheets are a game-changer for your laundry routine. They effectively remove stains and odors, all while being gentle on sensitive skin. If you're looking for a convenient and planet-conscious way to do laundry, you should consider these. What people say. It dissolves easily in the wash, no fuss, no residue. My clothes are coming out clean and fresh, which is always the bottom line. Laundry sheets are easy to work with and perfect for travel. Number 4. Sony WF-1000XM4 Noise-Canceling Earbud Headphones. These earbuds feature industry-leading noise cancellation, thanks to the new integrated processor V1. It helps you immerse yourself in your music without distractions. Experience exceptional sound quality with the support of LDAC codec. The high-power neodymium magnets and wide-frequency response ensure a rich audio experience. Enjoy crystal-clear calls with beamforming microphones and a bone conduction sensor. This technology ensures your voice is clearly detected, even in noisy environments. The speak-to-chat technology automatically reduces the volume during conversations. If you have any Bluetooth connectivity issues, try turning off the Bluetooth function for a couple of minutes, then turn it back on. These earbuds offer 8 hours of battery life with noise canceling. They are also IPX4 water resistant, making them suitable for workouts or use in light rain. With the multipoint connection, you can connect 2 devices at once. This feature is available via a firmware update, making it even more convenient to switch between devices. What we like? These earbuds offer industry-leading noise cancellation, perfect for blocking out distractions. They also deliver exceptional sound quality and crystal-clear calls, making them ideal for both music and communication. If you like to immerse yourself in your audio, you should consider these. What people say. They have the best noise cancelling, tied for best sound. First, the software, on Android, has a feature that will let you test which of the earbud sizes best fits your ear. The noise cancelling, for example, is nothing short of amazing. Number 3. Sinksuds Travel Size Laundry Detergent 8 Packets. These travel-sized packets are designed for ultimate convenience. You can wash clothes on the go, no matter where you are. Whether it's a sink, bathtub, or washer, it works. Using Sinksuds is incredibly easy. Just mix a packet with water, wash your clothes, and let them air dry. One packet is perfect for a few garments, and a few more for a full load. These packets are pre-measured for your convenience and are TSA compliant. They fit perfectly in your carry-on or backpack, making them ideal for any trip. This liquid laundry detergent is safe for all types of clothes. It won't cause stretching, shrinking, or fading. You can even use it on delicates and baby clothes. Sinksuds is the perfect travel-size toiletry for any adventure. It's great for vacations, business trips, cruises, backpacking, camping, or extended hotel stays. It's a must-have. What we like? This travel-sized liquid soap is designed for on-the-go convenience. Simply mix the packet in water, wash your garments, and hang dry. If you are a frequent traveler or need a quick laundry solution, you should consider this. What people say. Sinksuds is a great product. It works really well. The design is very nice. Number 2. Sinksuds Travel Laundry Detergent Packets. Sinksuds is designed for on-the-go use. It's a travel essential, perfect for washing clothes wherever you are, whether in a sink, bathtub, or washer. This makes your travel much easier. Using Sinksuds is incredibly simple. Just mix the packet with water, wash your clothes, and hang them to dry. It's easy to use and very convenient. These packets are pre-measured for your convenience. They are TSA compliant and fit easily in your carry-on or backpack. It's the perfect size for any trip. This liquid laundry detergent is safe for all types of clothes. It won't cause stretching, shrinking, or fading. You can even use it on delicates or baby clothing. Sinksuds is the perfect travel-size toiletry for any adventure. Use it on vacation, business trips, cruises, backpacking, camping, or any extended hotel stay. It's a must-have for any traveler. What we like. This travel-sized liquid soap is designed for on-the-go convenience. Simply mix the packet in water, wash your garments, and hang dry. If you are a frequent traveler or need a quick laundry solution, you should consider this. What people say. Sinksuds is a great product. It works great on dishes. The design is very modern. Number 1. Flowcheer Laundry Sheets 10 Loads, Lavender. Tired of bulky detergents? These pre-cut and pre-measured sheets revolutionize your laundry. Each sheet offers convenience, making your laundry routine easier than ever. These sheets dissolve quickly in hot or cold water. They are suitable for various materials and safe for all colors. No matter what you need to clean, it provides excellent results. Infused with lavender, it leaves your clothes with a pleasant scent. The plant-based formula is gentle on both kids' and adult skin. Extensive testing proves it has higher cleaning capabilities. Say goodbye to tough stains with this powerful laundry detergent. These laundry sheets are low-waste and made with natural ingredients. It is plastic-free with biodegradable packaging, a sustainable choice for conscious consumers. What we like. These laundry sheets offer a hassle-free laundry experience with pre-measured convenience. They dissolve quickly in hot or cold water and leave your clothes with a soothing lavender scent. If you like a pleasant scent and powerful cleaning, you should consider these. What people say. Sheets worked perfect for hand-washing small garments in the sink. Love how easy they were to use in the washer at our rented apartment. No weird residue and seemed to clean very well. The package is small and slim. Our clothes came out clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.